So hey gardeners, Milton is approaching. He is supposed to be here late tonight, and all of the work in my yard has been done. Yesterday I worked all day to kind of clip and trim and clean up and fertilize and kind of get as much preparation as possible. All the small stuff has been staked, and I feel like I have, I'm as prepared as I'm going to be. So I thought, while we had a little break in the rain here, that I would kind of walk around the garden and share with you guys my current situation, and then I'll do the same thing after the storm and kind of do in hopes that we do okay, and let you see kind of how these tropicals can really handle some of these tough storms. I mean, they're pretty tried and true, and they've been through several hurricanes already. So I'm hoping that this doesn't deter a lot of you guys who are new to Florida on continuing creating your beautiful gardens out there, because it is a wonderful place to live amongst the plants and the trees. And yes, do we get hurricanes, do we get storms, occasional tornadoes? I know it's a scary thing. However, I kind of want to share with you the before and the after, and then I mentioned some tips. I'll link that video down below of what you can do prior to the storm. All of that's been done on my end. The only thing to be done next is once the storm is over, to hit it with a good pesticide treatment a couple times, do some additional trimming that may need to be done, maybe staking or restaking, but overall they will bounce back, they will flush back out, they will adapt to the climate they're in. That's what I love about these tropicals. I love their hardiness. I love that they can handle it just like we can. So after all the work is complete and it's nice and quiet here, I feel like I'm really taking appreciation for what I have. And I always feel like I do, but now seeing everything, and it's just it's looking beautiful, looking great, looking I feel so enfolded around the beauty of the tropical garden, that I feel like I just want to soak it all in. I want to appreciate it, and then I'm gonna do my best every single day to kind of hold on to this feeling, because right now I'm looking at every leaf, everything that's done super well over the year, and I think that I've gained a whole nother appreciation for my garden in the last few days. So we're gonna walk around, and then I will see you in the updated tour as we walk around again. So you guys be safe, take care of yourselves, and I will see you soon. So hey there, gardeners. So we made it through Hurricane Milton. It was a tough one, and especially with those severe tornadoes that I don't think any of us ever expected. But I feel fortunate and blessed that we're safe, my family's safe, our home is safe, and had a few casualties in the garden, but overall it did very, very well. I hope I was able to capture enough of what the garden's current state is, so you really kind of have a really good idea of what these palms and these trees can really handle, you know, throughout these storms. My backyard garden has gone through tropical storms, hurricanes, fortunately not many tornadoes, but it has gone through such devastation and then bounced right back. So I kind of wanted to get on here and share with you the before, the after the storm, and then a few things that I'm going to do over the next few days that's going to help my garden bounce right back. So in a few months, it won't even look like Milton happened. It would be like Milton who? So everything I think is going to recover with a couple small casualties, so which is to be expected. Overall, I'm going to share those with you. I'm going to try to get those videos up as soon as possible. So for those of you guys who are in a similar situation, especially those of you guys who are new to Florida and are wondering if your plants and trees are going to recover from that wind devastation. In most cases, they absolutely will, and these few things are going to really help that process out a lot sooner. So we want to kind of do that as early as possible, because we start getting our cold snaps late December, January, February, depending on the year. But you know, so you kind of want to get everything back healthy and strong again before our winter season hits. So I hope those videos will be of a good guideline for you guys and work well for you. So well, thank you guys for letting me share my garden with you, and I wish you guys all the best of luck. My heart goes out to everyone that was affected during this storm, and I hope to see you in a few months with some future videos of the backyard garden back in its pristine condition. So all right, you gardeners, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.